Okay, so to play the game sum and subtract, just tap start game. So the whole point of the game is you subtract all the red numbers from the green ones. So we have 6 minus 3, that's 3, and you submit the result before this red timer runs out. Let's submit. Each new level is more complex, so we have 7, 5 plus 2, they are green, minus 3, that's 4. Okay, next level, 11 plus 11, that's 0. Let's submit. Okay, 14 plus 9, that's 23. 23 minus 7 plus 1, which is 8. 23 minus 8 is, I have no idea, 15. Let's go with 15. Okay, that's correct. And so on. Let's go with the wrong solution. We have 13 plus 4, 17. 14, 16. So the answer is probably 1. Let's just go and submit 2. Okay, that was the wrong calculation, so the game ended. You can try it again, but that's basically how you play sum and subtract.